Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by finding the exact comment to remove. Open the Notion page, then locate the comment bubble or the inline highlighted text. Make sure you have edit permissions because you cannot delete comments without them. Once you see the comment, click it to expand the thread and reveal options. You should now see the author, timestamp, and the three-dot menu or delete trash icon. This immediate visibility allows you to act. Proceed to the action controls to remove the comment. Now remove the comment thread itself. Click the comment to open the thread view, then locate the three-dot menu or the trash icon within that panel. Select Delete or Remove and read the confirmation prompt. This is important because deletion is immediate for you and may affect collaborators. Once you confirm, Notion removes the thread from the page. If you're removing multiple comments, repeat these steps for each thread, making sure you don't accidentally delete unrelated notes while working. Finish by verifying the comment is fully removed. Refresh the page and scan the content area. If delete options were unavailable, make sure your role is editor or higher and that the workspace share settings don't limit actions. If you accidentally deleted the wrong comment, open the page history to restore prior content. This recovers text but not always comment threads, so act quickly. If issues persist, recheck permissions or ask a workspace admin to assist, because most removal problems trace back to access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.